Ready for the dictation? Start. In regard to the amending provision, I want to know from the minister what would be his difficulty even if minor offences are taken to courts of law. Stop. For instance, the Motor Vehicles Act deals with various offences, both major and minor, and various minor offences under the Act are taken to courts and people are prosecuted. Stop. What is the difficulty in taking these cases of a minor nature to courts of law? There the people will have some safety that they will get a hearing, and if the offences are really offences, then they would be prosecuted. Stop. Otherwise they will be acquitted. Stop. Here the minister says that there should be a security deposit. Stop. If there is a violation of a particular provision of the enactment, then the executive authority will have the power either to confiscate a part of the amount or the whole of the amount. Stop. We are clothing the executive authority with some powers. Stop. I do not grudge giving powers to the executive authority provided they are used properly and effectively and in a most fair manner. Stop. But unfortunately, there have been discriminations apart from the ineffectiveness of the various provisions. Stop. Wherever these provisions were used, there had been discriminatory use of these provisions against a few or in favor of a few. Stop. Normally, when offences